Start by placing the pitch brake trim at the top of the lean-to and connect it to the Pelmet girt with flathead screws. Then install insulation, as was previously described, from the installed trim to the Eave purlin. Before securing the pitch brake trim, install any supplied closure strips and then secure the pitch brake trim to the lean-to sheeting, installing a trim screw at each sheeting high rib. You can then install the Pelmet sheeting. After cutting the sheeting to the proper length, install the sheeting so that it covers the area from the top of the lean-to roof sheeting to the eave of the building. Lastly, install the eave trim to form a finished edge.